Here's a short sneak peek at the video I'm editing right now. We just swapped out some cans for some SlimPack LEDs, and already you can see the difference. To the right is where the can light was, and that's the patch. Look at that square. No insulation. That's almost a square foot right there. And that on the left is the SlimPack. And it's about 8 to 10 degree difference. So when I get that all insulated, we'll compare the before and afters. But this is going to save us some money in the long run, but also just make the space more comfortable. See that? Max 66, min 50. That's almost 10 degree difference right there. So surely that was some heat loss going on. So check out the channel. Look forward to the videos coming up, and thanks a lot. Cheers.